In this video, I explained how to start running. Watch this full video. Starting a running routine can be an excellent way to improve your fitness and overall health. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Consult with a healthcare provider. 1. Health check. If you have any underlying health conditions or concerns, consult with a healthcare provider to ensure it's safe for you to start a running program. 2. Get the right gear. 1. Running shoes. Invest in a good pair of running shoes that provide adequate support and fit well. 1. Visit a specialty running store for a fitting if possible. 2. Comfortable clothing. Wear moisture-wicking, comfortable clothing appropriate for the weather. 3. Start with a plan. 1. Set realistic goals. Define what you want to achieve. 1. Whether it's running a certain distance, improving your fitness, or preparing for a race, having clear goals will help keep you motivated. 2. Beginner schedule. Follow a beginner-friendly running plan, such as the Couch to 5K C25K program, which gradually increases running time and distance over several weeks. 4. Warm up and cool down. 1. Warm up. Spend 5-10 minutes warming up before each run. 1. This can include dynamic stretches like leg swings, walking lunges, and high knees. 2. Cool down. After your run, cool down with 5-10 minutes of walking and static stretching to help reduce muscle soreness and improve flexibility. 5. Start slow. 1. Walk-run intervals. Begin with a combination of walking and running intervals. 1. For example, run for 1 minute, then walk for 2 minutes and repeat. 1. Gradually increase the running time and decrease the walking time as your fitness improves. 2. Pace yourself. Run at a conversational pace where you can talk without getting too out of breath. 2. Speed will come with time and practice. 6. Consistency is key. 1. Regular runs. Aim to run 3-4 times per week to build a habit and improve endurance. 1. Consistency is more important than intensity in the beginning. 2. Rest days. Include rest days in your schedule to allow your body to recover and prevent injuries. 7. Listen to your body. 1. Avoid overtraining. Pay attention to how your body feels. 1. If you experience pain, not just discomfort, take a break and allow time for recovery. 2. Adjust as needed. If you feel overly fatigued or sore, reduce the intensity or duration of your runs. 2. It's better to progress slowly than to risk injury. 8. Stay hydrated and fuel properly. 1. Hydration. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after your runs, especially in hot weather. 2. Nutrition. Eat a balanced diet rich in whole foods. 2. Fuel your runs with complex carbohydrates, lean proteins, and healthy fats. 2. Consider a small snack like a banana or energy bar before running if needed. 9. Track your progress. 1. Running apps and devices. Use running apps like Strava or Runkeeper or fitness trackers to log your runs, monitor your progress, and stay motivated. 2. Journaling. Keep a running journal to record how you feel, your distances, and any notable experiences during your runs. 10. Stay motivated. 1. Set milestones. Celebrate small achievements along the way, like running your first mile without stopping or completing your first 5K. 2. Join a community. Consider joining a running group or finding a running buddy to stay motivated and make running more enjoyable. 3. Variety. Change your routes or run in different locations to keep things interesting. A sample beginner running plan. Couch to 5K. Week 1. 1. Day 1. Warm-up 5 min walk. 1 min run. Test 1.5 min walk. Repeat 8 times. Cool down 5 min walk. 2. Day 2. Rest or cross-train. 3. Day 3. Warm up 1 min run. T 1.5 min walk. Repeat 8 times. Cool down. 4. Day 4. Rest. 5. Day 5. Warm up 1 min run. T 5 min walk. Repeat 8 times. Cool down. 6. Day 6. Rest or cross-train. 7. Day 7. Rest. Week 2. 1. Day 1. Warm up 5 min walk. 1.5 min run. 2 min walk. Repeat 6 times. Cool down 5 min walk. 2. Day 2. Rest or cross-train. 3. Day 3. Warm up 1.5 min run. 2 min walk. Repeat 6 times. Cool down. 4. Day 4. Rest. 5. Day 5. Warm up 1.5 min run. 2 min walk. Repeat 6 times. Cool down. 6. Day 6. Rest or cross-train. 7. Day 7. Rest. Conclusion. Starting a running routine is about building a sustainable habit that improves your health and fitness. By following a structured plan, listening to your body, and staying motivated, you can successfully incorporate running into your lifestyle. Remember, the key is consistency and gradual progress. Happy running!